My name is Jeifer Javier Rincon Hernandez, System Engineering. This is the activity for which 16 and 17 is an incredible idea. New level learn. Application description. New level learn is an application inspired by the anime Solo Leveling. It combines physical activity, healthy nutrition, language learning, and video games element in one interactive platform. Physical activity module. This module helps users improve their health through physical activity and exercise routines. User complete daily workouts and challenges to gain points. Increase this level and allows new mission inside the game. Nutrition module. The nutrition module provides basic gain about health and nutrition plans. Users learn how to balance the meals and receive recommendations that support their exercise routine and overall well-being. Language learning module is, is this module user can learn and practice a second language, especially English. Submission, translation, and questions are presented in English. So user must read, listen, and answer to progress in the game. Are they? Game and mission module. The module connection all the other module. User earn points, complete mission, and level up by exercise in folio, nutrition plans, and level are learning English. This makes the learning process more dynamic, fun, and motivating those in conclusion. New Level Learn integrates physical activity, nutrition, language learning, and game in one single tool. This combination allows users to learn, improve their head, enjoy the process at the same time. Is it? Thank you.